Have you ever wondered how the services in the supply chain management can operate timely deliveries and have a seamless customer transaction?
Having to be on hand on the services that you offer can make your business thrive to survive in fast-paced global economy.
Mabuhay! I'm Avril Sumadsat and I'm from HF4B.
I am Francis Nash Senya, and we will be discussing
The nature of services in the supply chain management. Services can be classified into several operational categories, primarily focusing on how the services supports the flow of goods and information across the supply chain.
So the nature of service in SCM can be understood in terms of customer service, logistical service, informal service, maintenance and support service, value-added service, and lastly, we have the suppliers and partner services.
As for the customer service, this is the level of service that you provide to your customer in terms of product availability, order fulfillment, and after-sales support.
So for logistic service, this relates to the physical movement and storage of goods. So the services within the logistics include warehousing and transportation and other more.
Next one we have is the information service. This involves timely exchange and management of data across the supply chain, such as tracking shipments, managing orders, and sharing forecasts. On the other hand, value-added services enhances the value of the product in terms of packaging, labeling, assembly, or customization.
Maintenance and support service is provided to ensure proper functioning of equipment or vehicles within the supply chain. This includes activities like equipment repair, vehicle servicing, and other system updates. Lastly, we have the supplier and partner services, which includes the services being provided by the suppliers and partners, such as product design, material handling, component assembly, which contributes to the overall functioning of supply chain.
In conclusion, the services in the supply chain management are integral to optimizing the flow of goods, reducing costs, and especially enhancing customer satisfaction. I am proud hospitality management student
I am proud hospitality management student
here at the University of the East Manila.